Introducing the Legends Suspension's Revo-A with adjustable rebound damping for 2000 through 2017 Softail models. The Revo-A coils utilize Legends touring-specific spring rates to produce superior ride quality and performance. Utilizing a hex-style threaded preload adjuster, spring adjustments are easily made and allow light to heavy riders the ability to maintain consistent ride quality and control, as well as improved resistance to bottoming with minimal adjustments when rider weights and loads vary. The 45mm 6061 billet aluminum damper body features a twin-tube design with low-friction sealing system and PTFE base slide bearings for improved performance and feel. The Sandvik deflective disc valve damping, paired with the 25mm piston, self-adjust to frequency and react quickly for improved fluid flow and ensure controlled performance. The 3-position external rebound adjuster allowed the rider the ability to fine-tune rebound damping for optimum performance and personal ride quality preference for any given rider weight and riding style. Stainless steel Type R construction and black Type 3 hard coat anodizing are designed for years of rugged, trouble-free riding. Available in factory original equipment length with standard or heavy-duty spring options. Backed by a lifetime warranty and proudly made in the USA. Assembled by hand in Sturgis, South Dakota.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.